Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're gonna talk about a brand new case that I just got from Amazon, and it just came and it's so amazing. I just want to show you guys. And this is the case that I got, and I got this case. It's a skeleton case and I love it. If you're into like freaky and an awesome case, and if you're into stuff like this and like that, you guys are into me. But I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like in the case. So I waited like 2 weeks for this case, and it finally came, and I'm so happy now. And it is so hard to open. Inside the case, it's an awesome case. This is my favorite cartoon growing up. And when I open it, you can actually look at yourself if you don't want to do makeup in your eyes, and you can actually call someone actually. Hello, fashion phones. I love this case. You should definitely get this in Amazon. And then there's like another case that I want to show you guys. It's like awesome, and what I like about this case is that it just really fits in my phone a lot. I don't like the plastic case. I just love that case that feels good in my phone. And yeah, this is the case I got. I told you before. Skelly King with a cat. I love cats. I love black cats. They're awesome. So if you guys are like more into dark stuff like me, and you like cases like this and like this, you should definitely get this. And I hope you guys like these cases that I just got, and I hope you guys like the video, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in a couple weeks also. So rock on.